So first up, what we are getting to know is that Raksha Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman is meeting the CMD of HAL to discuss the HAL funding. Remember, this was one of the biggest charges that was made by Congress President Rahul Gandhi, where he had accused the centre of stopping the funds of not paying HAL for delivered products. And that is one of the major charges that was made by the Congress party, seeking an explanation from Raksha Mantri Nirmala Sitharaman. But yesterday on your channel, viewers, Raksha Mantri had made it clear on what sort are the dealings as far as Rafale and other jets are concerned with the HAL. Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, is joining us at this point in time. Aishwarya, can you tell us about more about this meeting that is happening between Raksha Mantri and the CMD of HAL?
Amita, at this point of time, all the three service chiefs were rather also present in the parliament, and then this meeting between them, and also this meeting between the defence minister and then the CMD and then the other officials of the HAL is regarding several other internal issues. Also, we are being told that the HAL CMD will be issuing a statement after this meeting with the defence minister, keeping in mind that several allegations have been levelled upon the government and then also upon the HAL that basically deliberately HAL was backed out of this deal. So this is something which the government has taken in very, very seriously, and that's why we are being told that this meeting took place in the parliament, and in this meeting there were other senior representatives of the HAL as well. Okay. And then that meeting between the three service chiefs and then the defence minister was also on this very same issue.
So the financial conditions that were raised by opposition party, especially the Congress party president Rahul Gandhi, now earlier on in parliament meeting the three service chief, Raksha Mantri also meeting with the CMD of HAL. Aishwarya, thank you very much for the moment for getting us the details.